Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, guys, we're going to be finally unboxing my Boxycharm Luxe and my Boxycharm Premium box right here. Now if you guys haven't seen, I recently did an unboxing where I boxed all three of my Boxycharm Base box, Luxe box, and Premium box sent to me in PR from Boxycharm. But in that video, I accidentally was sent 2 Luxe boxes and never got a Premium. So hopefully I got my Premium today. So if you guys want to see what I got, well then definitely keep on watching. Okay, so typically I do these videos where I actually battle my Boxycharm versus my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, but I was able to check my tracking on Ipsy and it's not going to arrive until June 26th, and I was like, I don't want to keep waiting to film this video, so we're actually just going to unbox those 2 today, and I'll just show my Ipsy like on my community page. I'll take photos of it, and whatever I don't keep obviously will go into my No Waste Wednesday. But before I dive into here, I just want to say like a huge thank you to Essence Cosmetics. I got a random box delivered to my house yesterday, the day before, and I was like, who's this from? Because I couldn't tell who it was from. And I opened it and it was this box right here, and on the inside, open it, this is how it looks. I was like, oh my god. I was like, how cool is that? Now you can scan this right there. This was really cool. They had like a little insert that tells you all about the brand new mascara, and then at the bottom, this actually pulls out and you can meet the Princess Squad, and there's 4 more mascaras. I was like, what is this? What is this? This is just so weird to me. This is so weird to me. I had no idea this was going to show up at all, and it just arrived at my house, and I'm like, oh my god, this is like a legit like PR box. I was like, what is happening? This is just very foreign to me. This feels, I'm not gonna lie, a little weird, because I'm like, wait, what? I didn't do anything to like get this. Like, what did I do? And it's just, definitely this is not something I'm used to, and this is probably something I'm never gonna get used to, because this is something that I continuously watch. YouTube is like all these bigger YouTubers getting all these PR hauls, and I live for them. So when this moment happened for me, I was like, what the heck is this? So thank you so much. This is really cool, but definitely it threw me off. Also, I just want to say that I am so happy because Tati is back. Oh my god. I legit, when I saw Tati's tweet that said video in 30 minutes, I screamed and was like, Corey, and I was hanging out with Paige and our friend K-Bugs, and I was literally just pulling up the video right then and there, and I was just like watching it. Like you guys know how much I love Tati. I very much love Tati. I very much respect her, and her video style is like true goals. Will I ever be able to touch that type of level of perfection? Probably not, because I can't even say simple words half the time, and she is just pure perfection. But she's back, and I can't wait to see what happens next with Halo Beauty, what happens with Tati Beauty. You guys know for a very, very long time, my favorite palette was the Tati Beauty Textured Neutral palette. I actually hit pan on that palette. I bought a second one for myself, and that's something I never do, so I'm so excited. But anyway, that's not why you guys are here. You guys are here to see the Boxycharm unboxing. So we're gonna go into this box first. I don't know what's in here. I don't know if this is the Premium or the Luxe or what. All I know is that when I did that video, I laughed because legit, I had no clue that I was being sent to Luxes by accident. And so many of you guys told me in my comment section that you guys saw quite a few influencers have the same situation as me, where they all got like duplicate boxes. So I was like, okay, cool, because I was like, I laughed. I was like, wait, I think this is Luxe. Okay, so right here, we have Premium! Yay! Okay, I'm excited. All right, so one of the first things we see is the little insert card, and the first thing I'm pulling out is my Dominique Cosmetics. This is the Transition palette. So this retails for $48, and it is just all about going like makeup that's on the go. It's literally just a transition palette. Now this is the only palette that I actually do not own from Dominique Cosmetics. I have everything else from her brand. This is the only one I didn't pick up, only because I am not a neutral girl. I love my colors, and this is all for transition shades. I actually think it's a really cool concept to have a palette dedicated just to making transition shades. I do appreciate that, but as a collector, I'm like, yay, like I can finally complete my Dominique Cosmetics collection. I love Dominique Cosmetics. She really does make some great products. So this is exciting, and this is something that I know I picked out because I really wanted this for myself. So okay, next we have the I think I have this. This is the Maraude City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. This retails for $72. I actually do have this. I think I got it. You know, I don't remember when I got it. I know I just got it recently, so I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my No Waste Wednesday because I already have this. But I do know that this is actually a really good moisturizer. It's $74, but this I've been using this, so I've been enjoying it a lot. All right, next we have an open box. This is the Natasha Denona. This is the Transform Pore Vanishing Matte Foundation. So this is a medium to full coverage modern matte liquid luxe foundation that blurs pores, smooths uneven texture, and protects your skin from environmental damage. Retails for $45. I got the shade light, medium, warm, and I know I picked this one out for myself when it came to choosing. The only problem with whenever it comes to like picking out like a foundation base, you're only limited sometimes with what you can pick out. So you're kind of like, ugh, I'm gonna try. So I'm definitely gonna have to give this a go and really give this a try. I'm gonna put some on my hand, but I know it's not going to be the exact same. Oh my God, that looks like that would be a little too deep. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, that would make me look orange. No. No. Oh no, that is no way. That is way too deep. I hope that blends out. Let's try it. I mean, it kind of looks like it blends out a little bit, but you know what that smells like? You guys know those little bubble machines, like just like bubble things where you bubbles blow out? That's exactly what this smells like bubble mix. I don't know what it's called, but bubble mix, and mine's already getting dirty. I had this open for 2 seconds and it's already getting dirty. Okay, so next we have a this is I don't have luck with these boxes. This is the something Maplin eye cream with vitamin C and quinoa extract. Oh my God, this retails for $39. It's supposed to work to reduce dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines. Guys, I swear, you guys see it. You guys literally have been here and been watching my channel and my unboxings for a while because you guys are commenting and telling me that you guys are seeing my pain. Then I always get eye products. I don't know what to do. I keep retaking my quiz and they won't stop sending me eye products. Send me like cleansers or serums or toners or like moisturizers. Send me something else other than eye creams, please. I can't. Oh, you guys already know this is my No Waste Wednesday. Oh my God. I'll never escape it. Okay, so next we have something from Floss. This is the Concierge Cheek and Lip Tint. Retails for $22. A hydrating cheek and lip tint for an effortless beachy vibe. Formulated with the convenience and ease of use. These waterproof, no brush needed tints blend seamlessly into the skin for an all-day wear. Ooh. Oh, that's pretty. It actually really is pretty. I feel like this would probably be a prettier lip than a blush. I don't really like using this stuff for blush, but I think that would be a really pretty lip. That's cool. Nice. All right, then last but not least, we got something from Zuvia. So this is the Pure Velour Lips. Soft as matte, the ultra creamy formula glides into the lips smoothly, combining intense color with long-lasting formula that sets as a matte finish. So this retails for $15. This is in the shade Clear Message. Ooh. That is actually a really, really, really pretty color. Oh, awesome. Okay, cool. So let me go ahead and add up the value of the box, guys. All right, so my box value is actually $243. So overall, I actually genuinely do really enjoy this box. I love the fact that there is a foundation, there is a eyeshadow palette, there is a lipstick, there's like a lip to cheek product, there's a really good moisturizer, and then the only thing I don't like is that damn eye cream. But overall, I do think it's actually a pretty good box. I'm happy with it. You guys know how much I love my 3:2 ratio, so I think it's a great balance. So yeah, this is really nice. I just need to stop giving me eye cream. All right, so next we have this bad boy right here, which I would assume is our Base Box and Luxe all-in-one. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and preface that I'm sure a lot of things that are in here are probably gonna go into my No Waste Wednesday because I literally got 2 Luxe boxes. So I already added a lot of those items in there. So I think we might have 3 boxes this time around and maybe like an IG. We'll see. Okay, so the first thing that I'm pulling out is this palette right here. This is from the Ciate London. This is the Woman Power palette. I actually am going to go ahead and put this into my No Waste Wednesday. It's a really pretty palette. It's just definitely a neutral, like soft glam palette, and that's just not something that I'm personally into. You guys know how much I love my colors, so I just really wouldn't be able to get a good use out of this. So I'm going to go ahead and just pass this on, but this does retail for $45, and this actually is a new launch. Next, we do have these Fresh Green Leave. This is the Aromatic Hand Wash, and this retails for $25. This actually smells incredible. I'm gonna actually keep this one for me because it's kind of nice to have this like in a guest bathroom. I'm continuously like replacing my soap over there because I want to make sure my guest bathroom is nice and neat, and now they could have this in there, so I could put one in mine. This is actually really nice, so I'm gonna keep this one for myself because I do like this hand soap. All right, next we have, ooh, okay, I don't have this one. This is the Tula Skincare Glow Hour Brightening and Neutralizing Eye Balm. Oh my God, I quit. I can't make this up. Oh my God. Okay, so this is treat the look of dark circles over time with this neutralizing color correcting under eye balm. Retails for $32. Guys, this is gonna go into my No Waste Wednesday. I legit thought that this was gonna be a really cool like face product, like face cream, and I saw eye balm. I'm like, good God, I don't know what it is, and I don't know what it is, and I'm sorry if that bothers anybody, because you'd be surprised, guys. There are people who are legit bothered that I don't like my eye creams. I'm sorry. But when I get them in every single box, paid for, PR, and my Ipsy, it gets to be a lot. I have way too many eye creams. I continuously pass them along. And yes, I know I'm going to want them when I'm 50. I understand that. But guys, I actually do have a lot of eye creams that I keep for myself and I consistently use. I just get too many to the point that I'm never going to realistically go through all this. I'd rather just pass it on to somebody else. Please don't let it bother you, because it doesn't bother me. It shouldn't bother you. Okay, so next we have the Nars Orgasm palette. So this retails for $30, and I'm gonna go ahead and add this again to my No Waste Wednesday, or like a little Ipsy, or like a little Instagram giveaway that when I do my No Waste, because surprisingly enough, I don't really care for the Orgasm blush. It has a shimmer to it, just not a big fan. I love matte blushes. I don't really do well when it has a shimmer to it, especially because I have really oily skin. It just enhances the texture, enhances the oil. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pass this on, but it's a really nice blush though. Okay, so next we have the Benefit Cosmetics. This is the Brow Styler. I love this. I am literally in love with this product. I have been using it nonstop since I got it in my own PR box. This is all I've been using. Like, this is literally all I've been using to do my brows, and I don't really do too much of my brows. I don't really do too much to my brows, but this is literally what I use. I just think it's great because on one side you have like the wax, so it's really easy to draw the line, and then you have the powder where you can just fill in your brows. Super easy product. This does retail for $34. This is great. If you guys haven't got your hands on this, I definitely recommend it. This is in the shade Warm Light Brown, perfect for me, so I'm gonna hold on to that because this is actually really legit. That's a legit product. Okay, so next I got a product from Avant. Oh, this is that lip serum. So this is the $122 lip serum that I would never in a million years pay for because it's $122. So again, I'm going to add this to No Waste Wednesday because I already have my own. And it's just shaking around, but no way. No way. But I'm sure it's great. Okay, so next we have, ooh, what's this? Ooh, it's from, yay! Yay! This is what I'm talking about. We have the First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Gentle Foaming Face Cleanser with amino acids. An ultra gentle daily cleanser with self-foaming technology to clean skin and pores, leaving it soft and moisturized, never tight or dry. This oil-free pH balanced formula includes a mild apple-derived amino acid, a natural cleansing agent, and skin smoothing ingredients for Colado oatmeal, aloe, and Bisodol, free from sulfates, artificial fragrances, dyes, alcohol, and other harsh detergents and chemicals. Retails for $22. I actually was using a really small, like, miniature cleanser that I got from First Aid Beauty. I think I got like an Ipsy box, and I just ran out. And I'm so excited because this is what I'm talking about. I just want to branch out, like send me other things. So I'm excited. You guys have no idea how excited this makes me. Okay, so last but not least, we have something from Moxie Lashes. Ooh. So Moxie Lashes this is the Sassy Luxe bundle. It says, get ready to ditch your glue-on lashes for good level up lash game with a curated collection for you. This bundle includes Sassy 5 Mag Lash Mini Black Magnetic Liner, removable swabbies, and a zipper pouch bag to keep your Moxie Lashes products organized for home or travel. Retails for $90. So this is the bag right here. I definitely want to try these out. You know, it's actually so funny. Fun fact, they actually reached out to me when I first hit, like, I want to say like 5,000 subscribers. They reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try out their product, but they wanted me to pay for shipping and they wanted me to have dedicated 10 spots in my videos to Moxie Lashes for like a $90 product. And I was like, no way. Like, no way. Like, that's just not worth it to me. And now it's here. So I actually really am going to give this a try. I really want to see how well it works. And I know people rave about it. People out there who don't like putting on lashes, I hear this is a great way to apply lashes because of the magnetic liner. But here's the kicker. I suck at liner. Like, literally, I suck at liners. So we should probably do like a fun video where I'd literally try this out because I don't know how nice that video turned out, especially my horrible skills at lining. So that should be fun. All right, so let me go ahead and add up the value of this box. Overall, my box is actually valued at $400. And honestly, again, I am very thrilled with this box, minus the damn eye cream. I genuinely am really thrilled. Though I'm not keeping a lot of the items in here, I just love getting a lot more makeup over skincare, and it's just kind of nice to have a variety of products. And I am really excited for a few of these. Like, honest to God, I'm actually really excited for this Gentle Foam Cleanser. I've been really getting into First Aid Beauty recently. I don't know why. I've just been really enjoying the products. My favorite skincare brand right now is actually Good Molecules. I still live and breathe by Good Molecules, but it's kind of nice to branch out and try other things. And I actually just ran out of my cleanser, so this is perfect for me. And yeah, these videos are always so much fun. I'm really happy with this month's box. I'm really excited to say that because I remember my last Luxe, I was like, ugh. Not this month, but like the prior, I was kind of like, ugh, I don't know. But I actually really am excited for this time around. They did a good job. So yeah, this was just a quick unboxing. Like I said, you guys will see my Ipsy. I'll just post a picture of it on my community page. I'm so sorry I could not do a battle of the boxes this time around. I don't know what happened with shipping. It's just taking a while, and that's okay. It is what it is. So hopefully you guys will still like me putting those items in a No Waste Wednesday, which I'm so excited for this month. And yeah, so that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 3 to 4, mostly 5 times a week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channel. It's R4 to Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey, and a huge, huge thank you to all these beautiful Patreon members that you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe. Either way, thank you so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Luxe and my Boxycharm. Alright, so overall my box actually retails for a total of $4. So overall my hopefully got my I'm honest to God, and there's yeah, it just feels very forming. It just feels very lips, and maybe I really hey guys, this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and preface that I'm sure a lot of things that are in God, I need a bigger desk. It costs $32. Come on, really, camera?